Hi guys, welcome back to this lecture. Today we will show you how you can use the ECI intelligence platform to deploy your Openshift lab. Okay, so I'll order your environment in our website. You will receive an email. Okay, in this email you will have some information, and let me show you how the email can be have the appearance. Okay, so you have a portal URL, okay, and the username and also a password. Okay, through the URL you have to use this first go on this URL with your favorite, okay, browser. Let's go there, and you receive a pop-up, okay, window to ask you where you should identify yourself. You have to identify yourself with the different credentials that you receive in the email. Okay, first let's use the login, which is this one for example. Okay, this is my login, and the password is this one. Okay, so after connected in my environment, okay, you will see all the virtual machine or virtual servers that you ordered before. Okay, first we have a utility node, the master node 1, 2, and 3, the workers node, okay, 1 and 2, and we receive also a student Windows virtual machine for the administration part. Okay, and lastly you have a bootstrap node. Okay, let me come back on the architecture. The Windows server, which will be in the management zone, okay, or area, and we have a utility node, a bootstrap node, and the others node, worker node, and control plane node. Okay, so from this browser you can stop and start all the virtual machines that you want. Okay, so let's go on the first one, the utility node. Okay, to connect on this after hit these links, okay, we can connect over VNC. You can connect on the server. If it seems that the server is not connected, we can start the server with this button. Okay, you can hit this button to connect on it. Okay, and I can retrieve the IP address of just hit IP-A, and you can see the IP address of this utility node. Okay, the others node, the master node, as if you follow by default, let me show you the content. The operating system is not yet deployed. Okay, so you have to follow our labs, and you will see how you have to deploy this node. Okay, and let's go on the student Windows. Okay, this Windows is this component which is there, okay, for the administration part or management part. Okay, this one you can see the browser. You can stop if you want, but first let me go open the browser. Okay, so from there you can have an overview of the browser, but for the more convenient, okay, for the more flexibility, you can connect to this Windows Server through an RDP. Okay, so let's launch the RDP. So from this RDP, we have to enter the IP address, this IP address for the RDP access, the public IP address of the remote server, and the port. Okay, so from my side, I have to enter. I have already entered it. Okay, and the IP and the port there. Let's connect on it. Okay, and the password of this server is the password that you receive by email. The same password. Okay, we have to use the same password to connect on this node. Say yes. And here we go. Okay, so we are on the server. We can launch the party. Okay, the party browser, and let's try to connect on the utility node -10, and the management IP address, this IP address the IP address of my utility node is this one, and I can retrieve it in my browser. Let's go back here, and I know that the IP address is 10.10.162.1. Okay, so I can enter it on 62 and 1. Okay, this IP address you just retrieve it here. Okay, for the utility node, you have already this IP address here. Through the command IPA, you can get the IP address. Okay, so let's proceed. Great, and I can connect on it. Oops. Great. Okay, so by this way we will be able to start the deployment from your side. So that's all. Thank you very much, and see you for the next lecture, and bye from now.